Namaskar. Your skin is like a daily health report. Whatever is happening inside shows outside. If hydration drops, your face looks tired. If vitamin C and zinc go up, you glow. If digestion slows down, you look dull. And when you regularly eat food which is rich in antioxidant for skin, you have a steady glow. Today I am sharing a 7-day glow diet plan that is good for your skin health as well as for weight management. You must understand that you should give your body the exact nutrients that build, protect, and repair your skin every single day. One of them is collagen. Actually, your body makes collagen on its own. When you give it the right food, vitamin C helps you to form collagen by activating the enzymes that build collagen fibers. So, foods like amla, lemon, oranges, papaya, tomato, and spinach are good. For iron, take spinach, beetroot, dates, jaggery, rajma, chole, or chickpeas. Low iron reduces oxygen supply to your skin cells, causing dullness and a tired look. For vitamin E, your natural skin barrier protector, have almonds, peanuts, walnuts, sunflower seeds. These are excellent. Beta carotene softens roughness and supports clear skin. Regularly eating carrots, pumpkins, sweet potatoes, and papaya will give you sufficient beta carotene for glowing skin. For zinc, take a handful of peanuts, pumpkin seeds, paneer, dal, or curd. Zinc helps repair tiny skin injuries, reduces inflammation, and controls oil balance. Your skin uses zinc every single day for healing. You see, our skin is made of structural proteins. So, without enough protein, your skin cannot repair daily wear and tear. For that, have dals, chickpeas, rajmas, paneer, curd, and sprouts. This will rebuild and maintain a healthy cell. And for good healthy fats, walnuts, peanuts, coconut, flaxseed, and little ghee help maintain elasticity. Now let's see how to use these things in your 7 days routine. I'm going to give you a set of options you can mix and match. Let's start with your mornings. This is the time to cleanse the gut and brighten your skin from inside. You can pick warm lemon water, jeera water, amla water, haldi ginger water, or warm water with a pinch of turmeric. These are excellent as a morning drink for weight loss and glowing skin. If hydration feels low, cucumber juice is a lovely option because cucumber cools the system and supplies water and minerals. Once that settles, eat a small fruit. Papaya is the best fruit for your skin because it has enzyme that improves texture and beta carotene for glow. You can rotate with watermelon, muskmelon, sweet lime, banana, or apple. Fruits give you vitamin C for collagen, natural hydration, and antioxidants. Then, breakfast should nourish you gently. You can choose ragi dosa with coconut chutney. You can have oats with chia seeds and banana, sprouts chaat with tomato and cucumber, a besan chila with paneer, idli with sambar, or simply papaya with soaked almonds. Each of these combinations supports collagen. Almonds give vitamin E, tomatoes give vitamin C, paneer gives protein, vegetables in sambar gives iron and beta carotene, and bananas calm your gut. When lunchtime comes, keep it balanced. You need protein with healthy fat and iron rich green during the meal. You can go for moong dal, palak dal, rajma, paneer burji, soya curry, lauki sabji, or even curd rice. Combine them with roti or rice and raw salad made of tomato or cucumber, lemon. Lemon improves iron absorption, cucumber hydrates, dal gives zinc and protein, and tomatoes support collagen production. Now, evenings often decide whether your skin stays fresh or dull. So, peanuts, walnuts, almonds, roasted chana, coconut water are perfect. Even buttermilk would be perfect. This would keep your skin soft and reduce dry, fine lines from the skin. If you want something light, take puffed rice, kurbura, with peanuts. Dinner has to be light so that your body can repair overnight. Light khichdi with spinach tomato soup, vegetable soup, moong dal chilla, or a mild pulao. A light meal ensures restful sleep, which is very important for skin health. Now, let's quickly look at what to reduce. Avoid deep fried food, sugary snacks, packaged juices, tea after meal, late night dinners, and very salty foods. These things create inflammation and water retention, and they block the nutrients which your skin needs. When you follow this kind of routine regularly, your skin naturally starts glowing because your body gets what it needs to stay healthy. Here, I will give you a sample meal plan for a day. You may pause the video here and take notes. I have also created a sample 7-day meal plan that you can download and follow as it is or customize based on your needs. So eat well, drink enough water, walk well, sleep on time, and keep your mind peaceful. Your skin listens to everything you do. Namaskar.